The average person spends between 4 and 5 hours every week cleaning their house. That's around 234 hours every year. Now imagine you had an extra 29 days to put towards your business or side hustle. How much extra money could you make? And it's not just cleaning that you could outsource. Cooking, gardening, driving, or even walking your dog. Now, of course, hiring other people to do tasks does cost money. So the real question is, when is it actually worth it? And that comes down to one simple number: your effective hourly rate. You simply take how much you earn in a year and divide it by how many hours you work. So let's say you earn $80,000 a year and work around 40 hours a week, or around 2,000 hours a year after factoring in some time off. That would mean your effective hourly rate is $40 per hour. My golden rule is, the moment you can pay someone less than that rate to take a job off your hands, you should seriously consider it.